Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a brief explanation on series circuits and parallel circuits. So the electric representation of a bulb looks like this, and a battery or cell looks like this. So a series circuit is when the components, like the bulb, are placed one after the other. So something like this. So as you can see here, one bulb is placed after the other and the current is flowing through both the bulbs. And in these kind of circuits, the voltage will be divided. It will be divided throughout the components, which are the two bulbs here. Moving on to a parallel circuit, you have the cell here and the components are placed parallel with each other. That means they're not placed in the same branch like in a series circuit. They're placed somewhat like this. So this is a bulb in this area, like this branch, and then a parallel circuit would have another branch with another component here. In these kind of circuits, the current would be flowing through each of them again, but here the voltage does not get divided. So the same voltage will flow through this as in this. Now I'll just show you how it looks using the Arduino. Okay, so now I'm here with the components. I have the Arduino Uno, a breadboard, two jumper wires, and three LEDs. I'm using LEDs in this case, but you can use any other component like buzzers and so on. So as you all know, the LED has two ends. The longer one is positive and the shorter one is negative. And in the breadboard, the pins are lined up like this, and these pins are lined up like this. So now I'll just make the circuit a series circuit and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, now I've finished the circuit and all of the positive terminals of the LEDs are facing this direction. The negative ones are in this direction. So I put in the positive to the 3.3 volts in the Arduino and the ground to the ground. So this would be a series circuit, as the current would flow like this into this LED, to this one, to this one, to the ground, and back again. So I'll just plug it in and we'll see how it looks. So I plugged it in as the light is on, but it's not glowing very brightly. That's because the voltage is being distributed among these three LEDs. That's why you can't see it, but it's actually glowing really brightly. So now I'll change this to the 5 volts. Okay, so I'm just realized that the LEDs are not glowing up because the voltage is not enough, because it's separating among each of them. So I'll just remove one LED and I'll just change the ground to here, and now you can see they're lighting up. Now I'll just come back with the parallel circuit and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, now I finished the parallel circuit, and the power connections are going from this one. This is the positive side and this is the negative side. So each LED is individually getting 5 volts. So this one's glowing bright, this one's not glowing so bright because I think the cables aren't connected properly. I'll take a look at that later. But as you what it's supposed to do is they both will glow with the same brightness as they're getting the same voltage, and the voltage does not divide between them. Thanks for watching.